TMP SPA, Termomeccanica Pompe, a pump and compressor designer whose history dates back as far as 1912, ranks today amongst the top leading manufacturers and service providers of engineered centrifugal pumps and compressor solutions. Since privatization nearly 20 years ago, Termomeccanica Pompe has done nothing but grow. The facts speak for themselves. TMP has experienced constant revenue growth since 1995. It has followed an intense internationalization process, opening branches and subsidiaries in Europe, Russia, the Middle East, China and India. This internationalization has regarded not only sales, 80% of the company's turnover is generated from abroad, but also operations such as procurement, production and service activities. Staff totals more than 500 today. TMP's success is not random. It stems from the company's 100-year-long heritage and its development strategies supported by the Termomeccanica Group. TMP belongs indeed to a holding company with a 107 million net worth and the prominent Italian banking group Intesa Sanpaolo as major shareholder. In the power generation market, TMP pumps cover all main and auxiliary services in traditional combined cycle, geothermal and nuclear power plants. In the desalination market, TMP pumps cover all process and water intake services related to the various desalination technologies, namely MSF, MED and reverse osmosis. In the water handling market, TMP pumps cover all main and auxiliary services in irrigation, land reclamation, water pipeline and water treatment plants. In the oil and gas market, with its wide range of API 610 pumps, covering most demanding services, including oil pipeline, liquefied natural gas, water injection and offshore, TMP is present in the upstream, midstream and downstream sectors. TMP is also about air and gas compression. Its bare shaft compressors division and its packaged dedicated companies specialize in developing compressing solutions for any type of gas, namely natural gas, biogas, CO2, hydrogen and flare gas. The Zubair water injection pump project, one of the most recent and complex oil and gas contracts acquired, clearly illustrates how TMP has developed from a simple manufacturer of centrifugal pumps to a key supplying partner, offering all-encompassing customized solutions for the efficient and reliable management of its customers' plants. A consortium led by Eni Iraq BV is TMP's customer for the Zubair oilfield water injection pump project, while the end user is the Iraqi Ministry of Oil with its consultant South Oil Company. TMP's supply consists of 24 API 610 pumping systems divided into 12 pumping units, which include the operation and monitoring of the stations injecting water into the wells to extract crude oil. Each pumping unit is composed of a main injection pump, API 610 BB5 type, with a total capacity of 1,100 cubic meters per hour, head of 2,000 meters, installed power of 8,700 kilowatts, and speed of 5,600 RPM, as well as an auxiliary service booster pump, API 610 BB1 type, with a total capacity of 1,100 cubic meters per hour, head of 106 meters, installed power of 500 kilowatts and speed of 1,485 RPM. The pumps are driven by electric motors with variable frequency and a mains frequency converter and transformer. Finally, the machinery is monitored by electronic systems with cutting-edge technology grouped together in specific local electrical rooms. The string test of the pumping unit, with all its auxiliary components in the final on-site configuration, was requested by the customer. TMP is actually one of the only companies in the world with the know-how and facilities to support such a complex test setup, which has required an area of 1,000 square meters for the positioning of the components, a total power of 10 megawatts, the purchase of a power transformer equivalent to the contractual one. Termomeccanica Pompe. We think outside the box for you. Choose a unique partner for your unique needs.